Oh yeah. All right. Morning, y'all. It's sunny out. I mean, it was kind of sunny the other day, which was actually yesterday at the time of the other video, but a little less snow here. So it's nice in the fact that it's not as cold. But yeah, we're gonna go check out another place that I've been wanting to check out for a few months now, I guess you can say, and finally just we have the opportunity to with everything, so that's what we're gonna go do. And we're gonna go get some fudge in Uranus. If you know, you know. I don't know. I'm kind of still a little loopy. Like I said, spent the night here, and we're almost there, but this was the last stop or last rest area before the place, and the place wasn't open, so it was like, well, you got to camp out for a little bit. So that's what we did. So we're gonna go ahead and yeah, we're gonna go do it. So let's get into Uranus. So we made it. Uranus Fudge Factory stuff. Got a few neat things out here. It's like a place to eat. Looks like they have like a creamery or something. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. Busted. Some sort of jail. You're not going to cluck around in Uranus. Do not take photos or videos of the sun. Violators will be violated in Uranus. Uranus Examiner. Employees only. Missing a pair of balls. The strange museum. We'll check this out. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna go into the Fudge Factory, see what's in there, and then we'll come check that out. Tarot reading. Gotta dream big in Uranus. Oh, look at that, the Zoltar machine. I wish I was happy. LOL. We're out of Uranus Dark. Lots of fudge, lots of candy. The library. Wow. Lots of different little things. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alcohol. Trying to be a little quiet.
Hey, did you know our top priority is satisfaction in Uranus?
Wow, this is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Not what I expected, but what I expected. So they got a bunch of different little things here in Uranus. Two-headed snake.
Sophie, come here.
Two-headed snake. Oof. Turtle.
Alright, come on.
Toad. Fake.
Are we out of here?
Trying to go in the opposite direction of everybody. Blade box. Do not touch. It's pretty interesting.
A lot of two-headed stuff.
I almost feel like I am in the House of a Thousand Corpses movie. One's moving. Don't know about the other one. Apparently this is quite common. It's pretty cool. It's like $6 and change to get in. Goes without saying, sorry about the kids, but you know, kids be kids. Kids be kids. So that's pretty much it in here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Alright, so that was Uranus Fudge Factory and the Strange Museum and everything. That was pretty cool. I did buy some fudge. Have to get that out. I don't know why I put it away, so I can try some. I got a Rocky Road and just a regular chocolate fudge. So I think, let's see what we got here. This is the Rocky Road. And I already took a little nibble out of it, but that video didn't quite come out. But these are big. I got 4 pieces, 2 chocolate, and then 2 of these. So I'm gonna take another bite. Yep. The fudge in Uranus is pretty good. Get that little piece that fell there. But, give me a minute. Whew, when I said give me a minute, I meant it, man. That stuff sticks around, so. Sorry if you see any fudge in my mouth that I got from Uranus. But, yeah, together, the 2 things of fudge, which is 4 pieces altogether, but big pieces. And this sticker that I have, which everybody knows if you've ever been to my stream, it's been kind of our mantra. So, I don't know if that came through, but welcome to the shit show sticker. Just decided to get that. The Uranus, yeah. It was a little hard to get video. I expected because I knew it wasn't going to be a big place. I knew there was going to be a few people. Luckily, we got here when we did because it seems like there's a lot of people showing up now. That's why I moved. I'm actually behind the place because so many people were showing up. But definitely worth it. Like I said, those 4 pieces of big ass fudge. and that sticker was like $22, so 20 free. I told him it was like $22 and change. I told him to keep the, the change there. So $23 there and $6, only $6. I don't know if I said that when I went into the Strange Museum. My brain is completely out there because I've been doing a lot of traveling, not just for these last couple videos, but just in general, going from home A to home B and stuff like that. But it was fun. I'm glad I finally checked this one off the list. I planned on coming here a few months ago, and just, stuff happens. So, was able to finally get the time to come up here and do that. And yeah, it was nice. It's an interesting place to check out if you're within striking distance of it. I think it's like 2.5 hours outside of St. Louis. Might be a little bit more, don't quote me on that. But it's really easy. Just look Uranus Fudge Factory. So yeah, I just feel happy. It's like got everything, not everything, but I did what I wanted to do on this little trip here. But I just, I'm just happy I got it taken care of. This is going to be a whole separate video from the Tennessee one, so at least I got a couple videos out of it. I know this video wasn't that great just because of the fact that, it does, even though I don't care totally about recording with people around, I don't know how they feel about it. So it's like, it's kind of weird, and I don't want to walk around like asking everybody, hey, do you mind if I record? That type of thing. So try to do it discreetly as possible and everything. So yeah, just again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry, I'm rambling. There we go. That's a good one. Rambling on and on. It's just I'm just finally waking up. I've been out of it all day, sleeping at a truck stop and everything. Rest stop and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel. You want to see more videos like this, as well as the other type of videos that I have on this channel. Like I said, it's going to be touch and go with content, but I hope you all stick around and everything. Check out the other 2 channels. I got 2 gaming channels. One's a simulating channel that I need to get back on, and another one's just a anything goes type of gaming channel. Kind of falling out of that. And I also stream on Twitch. You can find all the links in the descriptions, I believe. If not, I'll make sure I get those in there. And share if you feel like somebody would enjoy one of the videos or something. Sharing's caring, and it helps. And I definitely hope to do more travel videos in the future because I enjoy it, and it's something I've always wanted to do. So trying to do it, just can only do it when I have time. So anyway, y'all, I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys sometime soon. Take care.